we were discussing the relations of the kidney of the anterior surface of the left kidney. So it has suprarenal impression, gastric impression, splenic impression, pancreatic impression, then we have jejunal impression and colic impression. When we look towards the left side, right kidney is related to, as I have already discussed, superiorly we have suprarenal impression, then we have hepatic area, then we have colic area, and this one is the jejunal area. So these are the anterior and posterior relations of both right and left kidney, and these are important too. So the kidney is actually retroperitoneal relation. These kidneys, they extend from 12th thoracic vertebra, upper border of 12th thoracic vertebra to the mid of L3 vertebra, right? Now, it is covered by a lot of fat, perinephric fat, right? And has anterior and posterior fascia, which has different names, fascia of Geroda and fascia of Zuckerkandl. The fascia of these fascia I will discuss you in detail in next topic. Let's discuss its internal structure. So when we cut it out, this is a kidney. So it's of which side? So I have to hold, this is vein, artery, and then we have to look for ureter. This one is ureter. This is ureter. So ureter lies posterior. This is of the left side kidney, right? So we have to look here. So it has this cortex part. This is medulla part. It is divided into a lot many lobules, right? And pyramids. So they end into this is minor calyxes. These minor calyxes. These are the major calyx, and they finally become the pelvis, right? So we have allotment. This is a cortical part. This is medullary part, right? So cortex have renal columns. These are the renal columns, and these are the renal lobules. So cortex has two parts, renal lobules and renal columns. Lobules are these part, columns are which are indented in between. So we have 10 to 20 pyramids here. Pyramids end in papilla and form minor calyxes, and then they form major calyxes. Major calyxes ends in pelvis. Pelvis then again and form the ureter, right? This is pelvis. So we have these blue color, these are the interlobar and intersegmental arteries and veins shown in the cut surfaces, right? So this is all about the kidney, its anatomical structure, poles, surfaces, and the cut section of the kidney. Thank you very much, students.